Hi, welcome to the pit stop. Caught a nail at TMCR, and so I have flat tires. So I'm replacing the tube. I just got my tube removed. This is the old tube. I just got it removed, and now I'm installing a new one. If you install, very simple. You need to get some air into, a bit of air into the new tube. Okay. That's about it. Okay, and now I have some air that will hold the shape of the tube. Okay, now what I do is that, look here, put in the tube pin into the tires, into my rim, and make sure that my tire sits inside. Okay, so my tire sits inside neatly. My pin is in. Okay, and you have a washer here that you can lightly tighten it. That's all. Okay, this is to hold the position of your tube. And now this is the part where you get a bit technical. You do not install the tube straight away. Okay, you do not install the tube straight away. What you do is you divide the tube into half. Divide the tube into half. This is the half, and this half go to the opposite side of the bike. Okay, go to the opposite side, and then you put in the rest, so that the tube is equally spaced between the tires, and but make sure that the tube is not twisted. Okay, install it neatly into the tires, and now we have the tube neatly installed. And next is to put the tires back into the rim. Okay, and you can see my tires are going back into the rim neatly. Need to, I'll have this to help me to install the tires. Okay, now the tires is neatly in, and we are ready to get some air in. But before getting the air in, we must make sure that the tube is not in any way being obstructed by the tires. Okay, so we will run that through one round. Okay, that's one round. Next, this one round, and you know that the tube is nicely tucked inside, and we're ready to get the air in. Okay, you can see that here is clearly stated that is maximum load 40 kg. PSI, let me see. Okay, the PSI is normally between 110, 80 to 110. Okay, for individuals who are slightly bigger, I would suggest that you don't pump 110 or 100. Stick to about 80-90 PSI. Okay, loosen that and keep that in and pump. Okay. Now, you know that the tires are all ready. That's all for to install the tires. Of course, this you can't put this in now because I'm just checking to make sure that the tires is the setting of the everything is in order. But to put it in, you need to deflate before you put in. Now I'm just testing to make sure that the tube can actually go in nicely and it inflate nicely. So at present moment, I need to deflate it in order to install it back into my wheels. Okay, anyway, because I still need to service to clean up my bike because of all the dirt. Okay, see ya, thanks.